and gentlemen, a warm welcome from my side, and welcome to Copenhagen. Copenhagen is a really exciting place in terms of transport and mobility. There is the Öresund Bridge as a connection to Sweden, the world's longest cable-stayed bridge for road and rail traffic. If you then look around the city itself, if you have the chance, you will quickly notice the outstanding infrastructure for cyclists, including the numerous rental systems for bike sharing. And then there's the metro as a fully automated subway system without a driver. So there's a clear connection between Copenhagen and our announcement today. Networking, zero emissions, autonomous and sharing and autonomous mobility are also high on Daimler's agenda. So our strategy for this mobility of the future is CASE, an acronym for Connected, Autonomous, Shared and Services and Electric. As many of you know, we are working on developing new solutions in these areas and leveraging the potential created by linking the CASE fields in all business areas. At Mercedes-Benz Vans, we started our Advance initiative in 2016. Transforming the business from a mere vehicle manufacturer to a provider of holistic mobility solutions. Whether it is at Daimler or at Mercedes-Benz Vans, we have tackled the technological transformation very proactively, particularly in the field of autonomous driving. Think of our intelligent world drive, in which we send an S-Class equipped for deep learning around the world to gather information from real traffic situations. Or the Future Bus, a prototype of an autonomous solution for local public transport. Our partially automated trucks from Mercedes-Benz and Freightliner have also caused a stir, a real revolution for long-haul traffic, delivery traffic. With all our love for technological progress, we are well aware that the commercial vehicle sector is always about generating economic value. In this regard, we see great potential for autonomous vans as well. We offer our customers new transport and mobility solutions, we enable continuous operation without a driver, and we create vehicles with a more loading space. In addition, there are the advantages of sharing. This enables more flexibility and individual application possibilities, for example through ride-pooling concepts such as Via Van. Ladies and gentlemen, all this, of course, is just the beginning. We invited you today because we want to show you the milestones on this path. Further development of products, technologies and services. In combination, these elements create something completely new, perfectly designed for the cities of the future, developed by Mercedes-Benz Vans. Let's get started.